So a hot topic for us for Fairway Exteriors when it comes to windows is, should we do a full tear replacement, or just should we do a replacement window, or more of a full tear window? And a full tear window basically means we're basically removing the entire window frame. We're gonna try to pull back to the drywall and then basically install with nail fans. We're gonna have to redo your interior trim and some drywall. Versus a replacement or pocket window, we're basically installing a window slightly smaller inside of your existing frame. They both have a lot of pros and cons, okay? So the two biggest benefits of a full tear are you can maximize the glass, you can get a little more glass, and we can make sure we get all of the wood rot on the inside and the outside. The downsides are, and this is a huge issue for a lot of my homeowners in Fairway, Brookside, Mission Hills, Prairie Village, they have older homes with really nice wood, right? We're doing a job now in Leawood where there's no way you could ever get that same quality of wood, that same design from a 1940 build. You can't buy it today. It's not about the money, it just doesn't exist. So I live in Fairway, I own the company, we could do anything. I did replace the windows because I have beautiful interior trim that if I did a full tear, I would lose all of that. There's no way I was gonna be willing to sacrifice all that charm and character and quality of interior wood. A full tear in theory could be better, but not really in older homes with a lot of character and charm. It also adds about $400 a window. So if you're in a whole home of 25, 30 windows, like it can add 8 to 10 grand really quickly because we're doing interior trim and exterior trim and we're adding nail fins. And there might be some drywall repair. So for most homeowners, a replacement window, there's a reason 8 out of 10 people do it. And so we make sure when we do replacement that we repair all of the wood rot that we can see, okay? Everything we can see on the inside and outside, we make sure that we replace. We do charge the homeowner, but they can rest assured at peace of mind that there's no extra wood rot. The other thing that we do to make sure that is, instead of just wrapping the exterior in aluminum, which looks cheap, we actually recommend doing all new exterior trim or brick mold. That allows us to basically remove more siding on the outside and check for wood rot in more places than just if we had to wrap it. So you could do that as a homeowner to add some extra peace of mind. But again, it's really a preference. Most homeowners with old homes do not want to do a full tear because they're gonna have to go back with cheaper trim and it's gonna kill their character. They have beautiful casing on all their interior hallways, all their interior crown molding. They don't want to change that look. But for a lot of homeowners in newer homes, it's kind of cheap wood anyway. So it really comes down to, do you care about a little more, half-inch more glass for $400 a window? Or do you want to go with replacement? Because again, most people do replacement windows. There's not a right or wrong. It comes down to the homeowner, what's important to them, what their budgets are, what they want to achieve.